Community network is definitely where you at, and if it's your first time coming across our content, please stay with us and subscribe on the channel. LCN Zwakala Nawe, we are out here at Standerton Town Hall la khona kwenzeka into ekuthiwa yini business exhibition. Omunye wabantu aba-exhibitayo will definitely tell us ukuthi bona bafike kanjani lana, but okukhulu kunakho konke lebza, because angihambi ngedwa ngingulebu, ngihamba nolebu, ukuthi baze kanjani ngayo yonke lento eyenzakala la. So yeah, brother,
Hayi mnandi wena.
Number one. Mhlambe nje very quick chat usazise ukuthi ungubani nokuthi uphusha ini lana.
Showcase ayigama uJoy Mdluli. Mi brand engiyiphushayo, it's called Combination. It was inspired ngokurecycla izinto, kakhulukazi fabric efana nejini. So through recycling, making backpacks, and then customers come with their ideas, which why won't you do this, why won't you do this. So that gave me an ability to scale up also to even making things out of fabric getting newer than recycled materials. So that's Combination.
And you pick up from what you just said, you will see we were producing into value already in the market, because uthatha from lama ideas as an clientele ohlangana nayo, like the market is the one that suggests ukuthi why ungenze lokhu nalokhu.
Exactly.
Yeah, mhlambe in terms of support around la elikwa yona ihamba kanjani?
Yona inkulu futhi ngiyaappreciate man. Ngiyaappreciate because it has taken me to levels la bengacabanga nami khona, in appearing in newspapers, documented by people who work in Standerton newspapers. So that has opened a big door and a big channel for me, because I got exposure, I got recognition.
So how long have you been in this?
In this business, I've been in this business for 5 years now. For 5 years, but the business has been registered for 3 years.
Yes. So mabakufuna mhlambe abanye bangazi ukuthi utholakala phi mhlambe
Definitely. My social media handles bangasebenzisa iFacebook under Combination, or if not Combination under Facebook, they can use Joyful. And then on my WhatsApp numbers, they can contact me on 084 7155 665. That is 084 7155 665.
In closing, brother, sihlanganiswe isida lana nomasipala waselikwa, mhlambe wena mazo ukuzibongela or anything ongafisa nje kuyidlulisa nokuthi waze kanjani ngale exhibition ungathini?
Ngathi ngiyayibonga kakhulu le opportunity, because it gives us an advantage ukuthi sibancane sikhona ukuvela, and then we will not only end up as small businesses, but we will be businesses aba impact also other businesses. And I would encourage ukuthi sida ichubeke lento lena iyenze also to other places as they have been doing. And also encourage youth ukuthi let them ask for those opportunities, and when those opportunities abasebenzise the time frame of the opportunity, because the opportunity comes and goes. So from SEDA, from Lekwa municipality, from people who support us, the community of Standerton, sithi siyabonga man kakhulu, qhubeka nenze njalo.
Thina-ke njenge-Liqwa Community Network esikuthokozelayo ukuthi niyakhula nani njengabosomabhizinisi. That means nathi sizokhula because you guys are the ones abazo-advertise on our platform. Zicommit.
Committing that I'll be advertising on your,
Yeah,
on your platform.
of course.
I have to. I have
Ukuthi
to.
sikhule nathi
definitely.
njengawo.
Yes.
Okay, there you have it, guys. It's combination together in the LCN.
Combo.
Yep.